Superman Kev, 2001. So today, I'm going to do the cheapest repair you can do on a Harley Davidson. So come along, let's do it. So here's what's happened. My rubber on the kickstand or Jiffy stand has broke. See, there's the two pieces. You can see them sitting there. So I went to Harley Davidson and for $1.64 I got the new rubber stopper to put on my bike. And let's do that right now. So here it is here. Just gonna open the package. Let's see. Get the new one out. This is going to be a really complicated repair. So you have your part here. Let's see if we can find it. So you have your part right here. Here it is. And what I have to do is basically put it in here like so. Like so. And then using a pair of vice grips, I'm going to pull it through. And that's all there is to it. So let's do it. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. So that goes like so. Like so. Like so. And like so. And then all we have to do is cut off that extra little piece and we'll call it a day. Cut that off. And it's done. Repaired.